Associated Teachers Co-operative Credit Union Limited ye achechefo nkabomuku a Afia pem ahanknon edioknon ensiemu ena won eteye se achechefo ede ebeboaboa won ho ewo won dwumedie mu se achechefo na ebre ekonanim no na ehua behia se wobetretre won kwabane mu enam so ma wotonsa ede fra adwumayefo nyina wo man Ghana fa na bebia se wonfa won ho embehye mu se ne beya wobetumi aboaboa won ho ewo sikasem ene odomu na obi adwumedi a wodi se odwumayini wo manyimu no atumi akonanim na afa ne ntomapa ede efra won efa so ema won dan a wasi awie no wode apaso etwa homemu ede bie ano fefe na eye krabehwe wotonsa ede fra titu ni enintini modu eni munyame ne wa hoden betai dwumedie no achi emo ena George Ampem Dakon peniye ye vice board chairman ode nsembi tudwa efa ni enti a ne won ahiemu ewo ho no ehom
enda ye eda ye yesi wo se ye kuyi AGM etoso 16th ene ye ne be na ekono ni nyina ne se eku a yaka a teacher for ne agadi ne obibia abomu a ye didi ntobo ade boaboa ya ho nti afibia no ye AGM na ya da enema foforo adi ne abu nkonta so akire ye members no nti nde mitete nyane se ye behia ne abu nkonta akire ye members ya ne omo edi dwuma no na ya akire omo de ye beye Afia ye besim nti na ende enhyiade a ye hia no top abomu nyina no
enu akire no ena Dr. Johnson otuoye deputy CEO Ghana Cooperative Credit Union Association enso ekan bi eto adwumekuo yi won modembo ene pempenso a won adru.
Over the years we had issue with regards to space and how to serve our membership, and so the development of this building and the commissioning today thereof is to see how we are able to serve members within and around Carnation area. The essence of it is to provide more in terms of service to our members. And so when members come in or walk in to do, to be provided with service, they feel more comfortable. And again, it also provides some level of assurance and faith in the kind of business they do with the associated teachers. And reason why today, as part of our program, we commissioned this program as a more or less program to commission usher us into the AGM proper.
Ne krakra no ena Dr. Kofi Boache a wono eye board chairman enso etonsa ede frɛ obi biara se wombra emeka won ho na wonyina ntwa wondwumedie no eso aba wabra woboaboa won ho
sese ye ka se union no enyampaso bebre a ye hwa annual general meeting no ye propose say betua 5% dividend ama member bia associated cooperative credit union ye wo Carnation konsa efre obi biara oye adwuma oye teacher ni oye doctor ni oye market oton ade obi a tumi join no se momra ne kan homom na ye fa yesika ne ahode mom na ye mfa hwe ya brabom megidi se obedwane a emfaso owo mu no nsabeka ye wo loans facilities ewo hwa so obeye member na we contribution for about 6 months utumi enjoy the loan facility na tiane se esan se ye credit union tinu interest rate no wo form kra nti eho hia se obekọ baabi foforo akọje loan ono ane se obedwane credit union na wanya eso emfaso o pese wo ye investments so your fixed deposit na nioma obetimi aye na wanya emfaso nti ye besele baabi a wo bia Ghana baabi a obetimi ajoin ohia sika nso a sese ye de abefo fidie na de adwuma internet na nioma nti no obetimi ajoin na wa contribute na wanya also benefit credit union ye teacher for the year say ye die mu a market women a doctor for a teacher for nurse for abuso obi spare parts for obi a join nti baby a obi a to nsafra bra na be join credit union na radin shawo nso bɛnya so mfasoɔ. Ɛda mo ase.